All right, so here's the rear end. So put the sway bar on. I have to it basically sits on this plate here, or the bottom of the shock, right? So this is that's the shock right there, or not the shock, the spring. So we gotta put it down there, right? To do that, we have to take out this plastic cover here, up here. Let's see. So this plastic cover. Oops. Plastic cover there. All right. So you need a screwdriver. So I'm not sure why they put this here. This is I guess they're just trying to keep crap to go from splashing into the springs. Because I guess this stuff is splashing into the springs and it'll make it a kind of, kind of messy, or more messy, I should say. So after that, right in this spot right here, there's a clip that holds the this part on. It's like a mushroom. So take some slip joint pliers, and basically from the top side you just squeeze that split together, right? Because basically it's like a split, a mushroom split. You squeeze it together. You should be able to kind of pull this down a little bit. Get one side down, I think. Get one side down. Okay, both sides down. So that once that mushroom is off there, you can just kind of pull it down. And on top of that, there's another little clip up here that hooks onto the top part. You slide it down and it comes right off, like so. So there's that hook spot right there, and that's the mushroom split right there. Okay, so that's what you got right there. Let's see what's in here. So this little rubber thing right here. This is the what the spring sits on. This right here. This is what the spring sits on, because underneath the spring there's a piece of rubber. So there's a piece of rubber between the spring and this basically this plate here. So yeah, so everything's pretty much ready to go on. What I suggest you do is to wipe this clean. Wipe this as clean as you can. It doesn't have to be spotless, because shit's gonna go in there anyways. But wipe it as clean as you can. Then you could start putting your sway bar together. So let's look at the sway bar. Okay, so it has two plates. So you have to actually, I believe you have to put the plates together first. So that's one that says right side, right? R for right. And the other one over here says L for left. Right there. So here's the sway bar. Let's see. I'm not sure this thing has a side or not. See, let me look at it real fast. It looks like it's completely uniform, so it doesn't matter. I don't even know if it's supposed to be in the front or the rear. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like this. Yeah. So basically it's supposed to be like that. Like that. With the bar like so. Right. So it's supposed to be like that. Like that, right? So on one side, this side's opposite side, just like that. So let's get all the hardware over here. Here's all the hardware. Where's my Loctite? I want to put some Loctite on here. Loctite. Let's see, what do we have here? So we have, looks like we got 4 button head bolts here with the 6mm Allen. There are 4 of those. I think these ones are what mounts from the spring side of the factory plate. There's some fender washers. 4 of those. 4 fender washers. We got 4 nylon lock nuts. 4 of those, and 4 flare nut flare lock nuts. Let's see. Why the hell is there so many? Seems like I have 4 too many. I have 4 set of split washers. So what goes where? I don't know. How's the manual? Let's see. Alright, so here's the manual. Not the manual, but the installation. So it's showing 4 right, 4 yeah, so I was right. The mushroom head goes on top of that. And I see 2, 4, 6, 8 washers. I do not have 8 washers here. Oh, actually, you know what? I have the split washers. I'm not sure which one goes where. Oh, they gave me the wrong washers. So here it says M10 8 pieces washer. So 8 pieces. So the split washer is not supposed to be here then. That's a mistake. Flare nut wrench, flare nut, 4 of those. That's these ones right here. Nylon lock nuts, that's these ones, 4 of those. Button heads, 4 of those. That's this one right here. Obviously the left side, rear side plate, and the sway bar. So okay, so they made a mistake then. So these ones are not correct. These split washers are not correct. And I'm not going to use this for nothing then. So basically these ones are supposed to have 8 of these. God damn it. Now we need to go to the store and buy some. Oh, it's too late. It's already man, it's too late. The store's already closed. God damn it. Really? Oh, you fuckers. God damn it. Okay, so in the meantime, let's connect what I have. So here I'm gonna have the washers here, like so. I'm gonna have the washers here like so. Then the flare nuts. So these ones are actually locking. But whatever the case, I'm gonna put a drop of Loctite anyways. Or maybe more than a drop of Loctite. A few drops of Loctite. There's this one here. There's this one here. Okay, so those are, I think, 14, right? 14 millimeters. Yeah, 14 millimeters. So I'm just gonna impact it. Fuck it. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna call that good. for that. Let's go to the other side. So what I need again, the 2 flares and the two other washers. So that means these nylon lock nuts goes with the button head bolts. I'm surprised that these ones don't require washers underneath them. That's interesting. Very interesting. Alright, let's go over to this side. Same thing with this side. Let's see. All the way in there. So use Loctite. You should always shake it up a little bit, because when you sit there for a while, it kind of settles. Everything kind of settles. So when that happens and you use it, it doesn't come out uniformly. So when you shake it up, it comes out uniformly. Okay, so again, I'm gonna impact it. Okay, that's it. So yeah, so I can't continue on because I don't have the freaking correct washers. They gave me the wrong washers. They gave me lock washers, 4 lock washers when it's supposed to be 4 lock washers and 4 flare nuts washers, or excuse me, fender washers. But they gave me 4 lock washers instead. It's supposed to be 8 flare fender washers. All right, so I guess I have to wait until tomorrow then.